Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, what you're going to be doing is you're simply going to go to your settings first, go to your general and go to the section of about and check out your up-to-date version. Go to your software update from over here and see whether you are updated or not. So if you're not eligible for the NFC card itself, then you wouldn't be able to add it. So once you have checked that you are up to date, then you're going to be going to the app store of yours, and from over here you're going to go to the search bar and type in NFC Tools. Then you're going to find this app and you're simply going to go ahead, tap on get and let it be downloaded. And once it's being downloaded, you're going to open up your app and this is how it should look like. Now tap on the option of read. Simply approach your phone to your NFC virtual physical card that you have, so it can scan it and can automatically add to your Apple Wallet, because that's how NFC card works. It adds automatically to your Apple Wallet, but the app has to be downloaded and has to be scanned through. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.